crunchy. Hey YouTube, Nick here from X5 Overland. We're kind of in the middle of an ice storm. Salem, Oregon. Today's date is February 12th. I had to move the X5, it was underneath a tree. And all the trees are falling down. Ice buildup on them is just too much and all the trees are just breaking. We've been without power now for a few hours. Hopefully they can get on that. We do have a generator for backup so we could stay warm tonight. But the X5 is just an ice cube. It's hard to start. The roads are all just ice. I was supposed to get down to 27 tonight. It's just been freezing rain for the last 2 days. That one branch, that tiny little branch, is just completely caked. It's really cold out here. Alright, here's the aftermath. Here's the backyard. All the ice has melted. Sorry if you guys can't hear me, it's a little windy and got the generator running. Lost a few trees. Lost a lot of branches. Lost power. Lost internet. Lost cell service. There's a lot of other people who are worse off than us, but you know. Over here, or at least half of the tree. This tree got like the worst of the ice. There was so much buildup on it. Every single upper branch broke. The lower branches actually stayed pretty strong. Lost that tree. Lost a few branches on the baby trees over there. There's a whole tree that got uprooted in the middle there. Here on the island, lost some pretty major branches. Parked the X5 way out there, so there's no trees. Lost a few branches on this guy. Nothing too terrible. That one kind of survived. Oh, mud. And then this tree, there's like no branches left on it. This is where the X5 was parked. So that would have been something fun to wake up to. Glad I moved it.
I thought they were coming down the road.